P-I-G, pig. Can you say pig? Do you know that pork is from pigs? C-O-W, cow. Can you say cow? Do you know that beef is from cows? They also produce delicious cow's milk. S-H-E-E-P, sheep. Can you say sheep? Do you know that wool is from sheep? C-H-I-C-K-E-N, chicken. Can you say chicken? Chickens aren't just your regular or white or brown. They actually come in a rainbow of colors. H-O-R-S-E, horse. Can you say horse? Did you know that horses can walk shortly after birth? D-U-C-K, duck. Can you say duck? Quack, quack. Ducks make a sound called a quack. It's how they talk to each other. D-O-N-K-E-Y, donkey. Can you say donkey? Donkeys are very strong. They work on the farm to carry heavy loads and help with plowing. G-O-A-T, goat. Can you say goat? In different parts of the world, goats are used for milk, cheese, meat, fur, and skins. The skins are used to make drums in some countries. D-O-G, dog. Can you say dog? Farm dogs are not just pets. They are hard-working helpers on the farm. It's quiz time. Are you ready? Who am I? I'm a dog. D-O-G, dog. Who am I?
I'm a pig. P-I-G, pig.
Who am I?
I'm a cow. C-O-W, cow.